So most of you guys with a Polaris Razor like this one end up relying on a light bar or even LED pods down here to provide you with light so you can see where you're going at night on the trail. And I finally understand. I borrowed this one this weekend, and every time we'd shut this light bar off and go back to just using the headlights, it was like flying in the dark. So I brought it back to the shop, and I've spent the last couple days testing different LED bulbs to see what actually performs. I finally found something for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to install it and what it looks like against the wall compared to the factory bulbs these things come with. We're in the garage now, and the cool part about these razors is they're super easy to work on. When you go to remove your headlight, you just reach up here, twist counterclockwise, and you can pull the bulb right out. You can work on it down here. You can press on this tab and pull the bulb right off. Now the install is the exact opposite of the removal of this bulb. You just insert the GTR lighting bulb like so. Now one important thing you need to make sure of, this bulb is adjustable, and you want the LEDs firing to the side, not up and down. If you try to use a LED bulb in this headlight that isn't adjustable, it won't be pointed in the right spot, and you'll get a really funny beam pattern. It won't help you at all. Plug it into the factory connector like so. GTR Lighting gives you zip ties for these bulbs. I highly recommend zip tying this slack here so that it doesn't get caught in your suspension or your tire doesn't hook onto it or anything like that. It's the last thing we want. So if you just zip tie it like this, you won't have that problem. I'm going to throw one more right here. Let's see what these look like against the wall. So you're watching this video, you already know that the headlights in the Polaris Razor are not that great. Well, here's a number for you. We picked up 350 lux against the wall here. Now lux is your usable light output. That is the amount of light that's going down the road, that's hitting the road, or in this case the trail. 350 lux, not a whole lot. Let's see if we can make it a little bit better. Now we've got a much whiter, much crisper light, and in this case we picked up 1060 lux for the low beam. So stock was 350, we're at 1060 now. That is almost 3 times brighter than stock. That's beautiful. Let's see what we can do for high beam. So here we have our stock high beam, and on the high beam on these things, they just kind of diffuse the light. They spread it out a little bit more. We picked up 450 lux, and you know, compared to 350, that's not too bad. Now our LED high beam, on the other hand, picked up 1200 lux. So we went from 450 to 1200 in the high beam position. As you can see, we've got a lot of light up in the treetops. We've got a lot of light down low. This is a much better option than what came in this Polaris Razor from the factory. Now, as you can see, those LED headlight bulbs are a tremendous upgrade. And if you don't already have a light bar like this guy, you should definitely get one, because while these are great, you cannot make up for something like that flying down the trail when you're doing 40, 50 miles an hour. If you need anything for these Polaris Razors at all, we've got pillar lights that go here. We've got cool stuff that goes in the grill of these things. Visit our website at headlightrevolution.com. We'd be happy to help you out.